What if your daily parking routine is secretly costing you thousands? That simple click into park could be hammering your car's most vital gears. You're putting stress on heavy metal parts that are not built to take it, and it's leading straight to huge repair bills you won't believe. Today, we open the lid on this hidden habit that drains your wallet. It sounds crazy, right? But this all comes down to the order you do things when you park your car. Most of us were taught to just shift into park, let our foot off the brake, and walk away. But when you do that, especially on any kind of slope, the entire weight of your car, we're talking thousands of pounds, ends up resting on one tiny metal pin inside your transmission. That little piece is called a parking pawl, and it was never designed to hold your whole car. It's just a last resort safety latch. That constant pressure is what causes that awful, loud clunk you sometimes hear when you shift out of park. Even worse, it puts huge strain on modern electronic parking brakes. And when those fail, the repair bill can easily run you over $1,000. The good news is the fix is unbelievably simple. It's a tiny change that takes 3 seconds and will save you a fortune. So what exactly is this little part that's causing so much trouble? Deep inside your transmission, there's a small metal latch called the parking pawl. Think of it like a deadbolt. When you shift into park, this metal pin slides into a notched ring on the transmission's output shaft, locking it in place and stopping the wheels from turning. But here's the critical detail almost nobody knows. The parking pawl was only ever designed to do one thing: hold a car that is already completely stopped. It's a backup lock, a final safety catch. It was never, ever meant to be the primary thing holding thousands of pounds of metal on a hill. When you just throw the car in park and let go of the brake on a slope, the car rolls just a tiny bit until its entire weight slams down onto that single pin. You're creating direct, intense, metal-on-metal stress on a part that isn't built for it. Have you ever gotten back in your car and tried to shift out of park and it feels stuck? Like you have to physically yank it out of gear? Some mechanics describe it as feeling like you're wrestling a stubborn phone charger that won't unplug. That feeling, and the loud clunk that comes with it, is the sound of your transmission under extreme stress. Now, will the pawl itself just snap in half? Probably not. One mechanic with 30 years of experience said he's never actually seen a broken one. But that's not the point. The real danger is the constant, grinding pressure. Every time you park wrong, you're putting this massive strain on a component that wasn't designed for it. This slowly wears down not just the pawl, but other parts of your transmission and your electronic parking brake system. And that's what eventually leads to those 4-figure repair bills, costs that can easily be more than your monthly car payment. So, that grinding wear and tear is bad enough. But the real wallet-destroying damage? It's not even the parking pawl itself. The problem gets way worse in modern cars with electronic parking brakes. You see, instead of a hand lever, these cars use small electric motors right on your rear brakes. When you push the button, these little motors physically clamp the brake pads down. It's a cool piece of tech, but it has a weakness. When you park the wrong way, by shifting into park before setting the brake, the car's full weight rests on the transmission. Then, when you come back and start the car, that little electric motor has to release the brake while fighting against thousands of pounds of force. It's like trying to open a heavy door with someone leaning against it from the other side. Do this over and over, and those motors will start to fail. You'll see warning lights on your dash. You might even smell something burning. In the worst-case scenario, the brakes won't release at all, and you'll need a tow truck. And this is where the 4-figure repair bill comes in. Replacing these electronic brake motors isn't a simple parts swap. It requires special tools and computer reprogramming. Getting just one replaced can be expensive. If both go at the same time, you're easily looking at a bill that's more than your monthly car payment. But the good news? Preventing all of this is incredibly simple. It's old-school driving wisdom that takes just 3 seconds. Here's the right way to do it. First, with your foot still on the main brake, pull up your parking brake switch or press the pedal. Second, let your foot off the main brake. You might feel the car settle just a tiny bit. That's good. It means the car's weight is now resting on the brakes, exactly where it should be. And third, only then do you shift the car into park. That's it. By doing this, you let your powerful braking system take the strain, keeping that little parking pawl and your expensive electronic motors completely stress-free. When you're ready to leave, Just do the steps in reverse. Alright, so here it is. The 3-second habit that will save you a fortune. This is the proper way to park your car, taught by mechanics and automotive experts for decades. It works on any car with an automatic transmission, whether it's brand new or 20 years old. There are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Come to a complete stop, with your foot still holding down the main brake. Now, instead of going straight to park, shift the car into neutral. That's the key. Shifting into neutral first disconnects the transmission from the wheels. Step 2. With your foot still on the brake, engage your parking brake. Whether it's a pedal, a lever, or a button, set it firmly. Now, for the most important part, take your foot off the regular brake pedal. You might feel the car rock or settle just a tiny bit. That's a good thing. That's the feeling of the car's full weight shifting onto the parking brake system, the strong parts that are designed to hold it. The car is now secured by the brakes, not the transmission. And finally, step 3. Press the brake pedal again, and only now do you shift the gear selector into park. That's it. Neutral. Parking brake. Park. By doing it in this order, that little parking pawl inside your transmission just clicks into place without any pressure on it at all. It's acting as a final, stress-free backup lock, which is exactly what it was designed for. There's no grinding. There's no wrestling to get it out of gear later. And best of all, you're completely protecting those expensive electronic parking brake motors. They won't have to fight against thousands of pounds of vehicle weight when you go to leave. It's a tiny change to your daily routine, but it stops the 2 most expensive parking-related failures dead in their tracks. This is genuinely how you prevent a repair that, as we've seen, can easily cost more than your monthly car payment. Your daily parking habit can secretly hammer your car's most vital gears. That tiny parking pawl inside your transmission isn't built to take your vehicle's full weight. This stress leads straight to huge 4-figure repair bills, costs that can be more than your monthly car payment. The simple fix takes just 3 seconds. The neutral, parking brake, then park method shifts your car's weight onto its strong braking system. This protects the delicate pawl and saves expensive electronic parking brake motors from daily damage. It prevents costly breakdowns and gives you real peace of mind. We opened the lid on this hidden habit today. You now know the simple step to save thousands and protect your car for years. But this journey into your car's secrets is just beginning. What other everyday habits are quietly draining your wallet and damaging your ride? Stick with us to uncover more crucial insights. Hit subscribe so you don't miss a single discovery.